1996. So she cannot be a party to this particular deeds. Elizabeth also was not living in 1996, which we have already informed the sub-registrar that these documents are actually fraudulent. We are दूसरा अनेक family involved आहा म्हणटा ती from Borim Ponda, third of Borim Ponda, and this family is actually Antoneta Fernandez Mon. They both are partners. Antoneta Fernandez and Branca Rodriguez from Sholim are partners. The reason why we are saying this is because Tenge Dida Che, Tedi Antoneta Fernandez Mutateni and Branca Rodriguez Mutateni Sholiche and Antoneta Fernandez Mutate Borim Tolopache, Tedi 1996 Warsak. Oshe deeds, fake deeds create Korun, Tedi book number 444 of the year 1944. तिथून 5 डीड एंटर केले आणि जे कोणाचे डीड्स असलेले ते इथून त्यांचे डॉक्युमेंट्स बाहेर काढून आपणाचे डीड एंटर केले. नाउ द रेस्ट ऑफ द वॉल्यूम तो पळय बुक आहा तो सगळो बाइंड केलो आहा, बट हे 5 डीड लूज आहे आणि आम्ही ते नोट दिला म्हणजे इन्फॉर्म केला, ऑब्झर्वेशन किती केला तितले इन्फॉर्म केला टू द सब रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिस इन म्हापसा. आता हे 5 डिडांतले आमचे आनी ते भाशेनच प्रॉपर्टीज तेणी कॅप्चर केल्या. एक डिडा फाटल्यान 4 प्रॉपर्टीज गायले, 4 ओनर्सांचे. नाउ व्हाय वी आर सेइंग दैट all these are fake deeds of 1996 as well as 1993 and 1934 and 1951. 1934 चे आमकां बरोवन दिलो हा आर्काइव्सान that these books of 1934 जेन्ना सेल डीड्स तेणी मामलतदारान सेल डीड्स आसा म्हण सांगला ते डीड तेंकडे ना म्हण आमकां बरोवन दिला. That is not from their office. 1934 प्लस अनेक वॉल्यूम आहा तो 1951 तोय बीन ना म्हण वॉल्यूम बुक नंबर 514 तोय बीन ना म्हण तेणी आमकां आर्काइव्सान लेटर दिला.
Let us welcome the press today who have very specifically come to our village to help us create an awareness of all the fraudulent land transactions that are taking place in Goa.
Just tell the name.
My name is Advocate Augustus Montero and this is Advocate Christina Dias, and it has come to our notice that there are many fraudulent land transactions being taken place based on fraudulent documents that are being done, that are being inserted in various departments, and local genuine people, local genuine owners are being defrauded of their properties and ancestral properties. It is happening on 3 fronts. The first, what is happening is fraudulent documents are being created.
Of this year 1951 and त्यांनी फेक डीड केले. आता 5 डीड त्यांनी इन्सर्ट केले. 5 डिडामध्ये एक डिडाचेर आम्ही 10 हे आमचे बादींचे ओनर्स पळय आहा आसगांवचे ते एक डिडाचेर 10 प्रॉपर्टीज रजिस्टर केलो आहे. एकच डिडाचेर 10 ओनर्सांचे 10 प्रॉपर्टीज वेरियस ओनर्सांचे एक डिडाचेर रजिस्टर केलो आसा. तेच भाशेन सेकंड डिडाचेर आनी एक 5 जाणां, थर्ड डिडाचेर अशें करून आमचे आसगांवचे विलेज बादे एंड आसगांव टुगेदर they have actually captured about 50 properties. आणि म्युटेशन अप्लाय करून मामलतदार ऑफिसान इन म्हापसा they get this mutation done within 2 to 3 days. आमकां म्युटेशन अप्लाय करपाक गेले जाल्यार आमकां म्हयन्याक जायना म्युटेशन, but they could complete this mutation within 2 to 3 days. म्युटेशन कंप्लीट जाले म्हणटरी आम्ही अप्लाय केले जाल्यार तेचेर म्युटेशनाचेर ऑर्डर्स आसनाय मामलतदाराचे. सर्टिफाईड कॉपी ऑन द राईट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन ऍक्ट आम्ही अप्लाय केले. सगळे सर्टिफाईड कॉपी ऑन द राईट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन ऍक्टाचेर अप्लाय केले. तितले हितून ऑर्डर नाय, बट द नेम्स ऑफ दिस ब्रांका फॅमिली इज ऑलरेडी कम इन द फॉर्म 140 विथआउट ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम द मामलतदार. आम्ही राईट टू इन्फॉर्मेशनाचे ऍक्टाचेर अप्लाय केले तेन्ना फकत 1 पेज रोजनामाची दिली आमकां आनी ती जाल्यार इश्यू नोटिसीस म्हण दिलो आसा. तुमकां जाय जाल्यार आमी प्रोड्यूस करपाक शकता. आमकां सगळे डिटेल्स आहा. वी हॅव ऑल्सो अप्लायड फ्रॉम द आर्काइव्स डिपार्टमेंट Archive department admitted that these are fake documents. I don't know what the investigation they will take about that, but we have already complained to the crime branch about this. Archive-साचे insert केले थे. And secondly, we have already complained to the vigilance department to take note of this, along with the SP North.
In 3 stages. First, fraudulent documents have been created as if land transactions took place during the Portuguese era. Based on that, succession deeds are being done, especially in the sub-register in Karampond. And third, based on these documents, survey records are being changed in the offices of the revenue departments, and properties are subsequently sold. And what happens after that? Most people who are either living here or not living here realize that their properties have been sold to people, and then they have to go to court to have all kinds of recourses. So we are making this awareness for all the people to check all their land records and to expose the criminal procedures that are happening in Goa to defraud genuine owners of their properties.
Yeah, I Advocate Christine Dias. I investigate केले आणि तेचेच भाशेन आम्ही सगळे documents check केला. जेना about more than 50 properties here in Badem and Asagaon आमचे capture केलो आसा हे land scamaचे. आणि land scam म्हणल्यार कशें 2 parties आहाय जे 2 parties, one is from Shoalim, the other one is from Bori Ponda. आणि हे 2 parties Catholic families जावन आसा आणि आमचे हे लँड पळय आसगांव आसा, बादे आसा, अंजुना आसा, हे कॅथलिक फॅमिलीची लँड्स आपणाचे आवयन बापायन आपल्याचे प्रॉपर्टी परचेज केला म्हण घातला. आणि हे परचेजीस आम्ही इन्व्हेस्टिगेट केले तेन्ना मी एडवोकेट ऑगस्टस आम्ही आर्काइव्हसान फर्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें आमकां म्हणजे हे डॉक्युमेंट्स फेक डॉक्युमेंट्स इन्सर्ट केलाय म्हण. आणि आम्ही रजिस्टर पळोवपाक गेले तेन्ना 1951 रजिस्टर बुक नंबर 551 आणि वॉल्यूम नंबर 328 हो आम्ही इन्स्पेक्ट करपाक गेल्ली तेन्ना तो इन्स्पेक्ट करपाक गेले जाल्यार ते पळय डॉक्युमेंट्स आहा पेज नंबर 13 to 19 हे डॉक्युमेंट्स दाखयता सगळे प्रॉपर्टीज Antonio Francisco Pereira name, whether it is still existing or not. If it is not existing and somebody else's name has come, like these people, they have actually Braga family and Royston, Antonetta family and her son Cedric Fernandez from Borin. Now they have actually entered their names in almost 40 properties. There are more than another 20 properties which are actually been applied for mutations. So please check your. This is only to create an awareness for the buyers also who are buying these properties left, right, and center without checking the documents, without approaching the neighboring owners. Please, when you are actually buying these properties, please check the ownership. There are advocates who are involved in this. The notaries who are involved. Without checking the documents, we have seen that the notaries are actually certifying their documents, fake documents. Please be careful. We will not stop here. We will continue our investigation. We will take everybody into this so that we get justice. My तिने purchase केला म्हण. Now the sale deeds create जाला कशें म्हणल्यार ते बुकांतली थोडी सेल डीड्स भायर काढून तितुली आपणाचे सेल डीड्स इन्सर्ट केले. ते सगळे एक बरोबर इन्सर्ट केला आणि ते इन्सर्शन सारखी क्लिअरली दाखयता. हांवें नोट केलो आहा तिका 1951 ते हेचेर फर्स्ट डीड आहा ते 15th of November 1951 जेन्ना बूक आसता सिरियल नंबरान आसता. So first deed then 15th of it's 15th of November 1951. Second deed the 17th of November 1951. Insertion kelate page 13. The deed 17th of November 1951. One asa ani next deed is 26th of November 1951. The following deed after 26th of November 1951 is 13th of November 1951. So त्याचे उपरांत पोतून हांगा डिसेंबर आनी येयले 4th of December 1951 and then again they came back to 21st of November 1951. This shows that chronological order पळय आसा तो ना त्या डिडांनी आनी पेज नंबर सामके बरयला तितलेच पेज नंबर फिट करून आपणाचे डॉक्युमेंट्स तेणी इन्सर्ट केले. Now all these documents I feel they have inserted in during the pandemic time. The reason is even soon after this they applied for mutation. Mutation आता 2020 सोन तेणी स्टार्ट केले आणि his family, that Antonia Francisca's family, now living in Shivolim. Her name is actually the daughter of Antonia Francisca family. Antonia Francisca Pereiraचे चोडू आसा ते ब्रांका रॉड्रिक्स म्हण जे शिवोली रावता आणि तेचो पूत रॉयसन रॉड्रिक्स म्हणून रावता तो शिवोली. तेणे हे सगळे फेक डीड्स क्रिएट केले. Awaiting decisions from them, this investigations, whatever they will be doing, we are awaiting for that. We are not actually come over here to actually say, okay, the government agencies are not investigating into it. Government investigation is going on, crime branch investigation is going on, vigilance investigation is going on. Even the state registrar has actually supported us and actually doing the investigation from his level. But the problem is, आम्ही एक weekend आम्ही एक sort out करता, like 5 properties came in the first week of April. Another 7 properties came in the second week of April in the Mamlatdar office. Every time we are running from pillar to post just to file these applications. Because this Delhi people, the Kerala people are purchasing our properties, they are coming into our properties with the bouncers and attacking our own owners who are the rightful owners of the property. आमची घरां देखून हांगा जेन्ना आमी रावता ती घरां देखून आमची कब्जा केलो आसा तेणी ते डीड्स केलो आहा ते घरांचेर बीन. We are staying here, we are in this village and still these people actually have taken over the properties. कालच्या दिसाक आनी एक घर मोडला, Portuguese house, तेय बीन level केला. So these things are going on and on. We cannot go every time to these departments, every time requesting them with applications and complaints again and again. So we actually asked you to come before these people, our villages, because so that people from other villages are also become aware that these things are going on. Now recently when we were doing this investigation, his property from Anjuna has also been cleared. This is about 15,400 square meter. The first property which was cleared was about 18,500 square meter. Now they're just going on clearing these properties every time. And every time we are asking for the documents from the government office. So I request the people of all the villages who are in the coastal belt, please look into your Form 114.
Now I am Andrew D'Souza.
Please.
Now sir? I am from Andrew D'Souza. I am helping Mr. Editor Carvalho. So we noticed that his major properties, about 3 properties are already somebody has captured. So we have no defense since every government office is not helping us. So now our Christine Dias, who is a lawyer, she is helping us to get justice. We hope we get justice. Thank you. First, one property आमची 2020 nearly. Ek tashit, not this party. Party was somebody else. So that is in the court now. But recently in April, आम्ही 114 फॉर्म काडपाक गेले तेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की ही ब्रांका आनी रॉयस्टन एक प्रॉपर्टीन गेले आमची आनी दुसरी ब्रांका रॉयस्टन आनी ती पावलीन म्हणून कोणती तेंच्यांनी दुसरी प्रॉपर्टीन नांव एड केलां सो तेन्ना 114 फॉर्म काडपाक गेले तेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की आमची प्रॉपर्टी हे केल्या म्हणून
टोटल एरिया सांग मातशें
एक प्रॉपर्टी 2950 एक प्रॉपर्टी 2450 आणि पहिली आमची केली ती 1632
So total 3 properties.
हय 3 प्रॉपर्टी एक
Okay, my name is Debbie Fernandez. Similar thing has happened to the survey number where I reside, that is 39/4, including my grandfather's property, which is survey number 31/2. So when we came to know about this, we have also filed an objection on 29th of March, after which on 30th of March, similar thing has taken place wherein mutation proceeding they have applied for. So now we had 2 hearings for which we had to go, by which the Mamledar as well as the opposite party, they were not present. So third date is given to us on 8th of June. So let us see how it goes, and I just hope it is solved, and all the departments which are responsible for all these things, please help us out.
Yeah.
My name is Advocate Augustus Montero. I live in Anjuna, and last Sunday I checked my own land records and found that the same Branca family and Royson Rodrigues have removed the names of the ancestors in the Form 1 and 14 and inserted their own names. And it was done on the basis of a sale deed of 1951, which was accepted for mutation, in which the apparent sellers of the property were not even born. So people, according to these deeds, which is accepted by the revenue authorities, are based on facts or sold by people who were not even in existence at that point of time. Basically what they are doing, they are taking the Form 1 and 14 of the present owners, inserting those names in the 1951 deeds and executing these deeds of sale, subsequently on basis of succession deeds, and all mutation proceedings are without any procedure. So this is a fraud that has been taken place on my family of 15,400 square meters opposite our house.
My name is Melroy D'Souza, and I am the owner of the plot 43/2. This plot was already put out for sale, and we were given a 15 days notice to clear all the things. It was my friend Nelson's son who saw it and informed my daughter, because I am in Dubai, and then from there we spoke to Christine and we started the procedure to get it back. We came to know somewhere on 7th or something of April.
How much
It
payment,
was
sir?
put out for sale with a 15 days notice. Now, I have one suggestion, is we also go through the economic offences wing, because this is a massive fraud. No? We can approach them also.
How much per meter?
900. Thank you.
This is Ashley Montero. My dad is a co-owner of the property in Vadim, which is 1900 square meter. We just came to light when, as Christine said, there was a person by the name of Vinci who did the investigations. He found that the properties were already being mutated. So when we checked our property, we came to know that the property is already been mutated and already changed to the accused family, which is the Branca family and Royson. So we filed an objection on the 29th of March on the mutation. We haven't got a hearing date. I mean, not heard. We've got 3 dates till then, but we haven't been heard by the Mamledar as of now. The next date is 8th of June, where the hearing date is scheduled for the objection. 29th of March, we put the objection. On the 30th of March, there was a sale deed registered to the buyer named Lenchu K. James, right? And as Christine said, the Mamledar was wanting to expedite certain cases within 7 days. But for my case, I haven't got a hearing initially. The first initial hearing was not up to 2 weeks, right? He was not giving me a hearing date of 2 weeks. Only when Christine intervened, they formally said that they would give us a date. So there's a lack of procedure for sure. There might be some self-vested interest for sure, because in certain cases they want to expedite it, in certain cases they don't want to do it. So this is my story of survey number 39/6, right?